This one is a crank no start.
Awesome video, man. Probably what you want to do next, as far as figuring out that, hey, you got some crap in the oil filters and metal shavings and all this kind of stuff, is go ahead and remove this low pressure oil relief valve on the bottom underneath the crank. There's a massive torque spit down there, and you go ahead and you take that out of there and expose this whole assembly, this little spring inside here. This is a pressure regulator for the L-pop. You can go ahead and pull that out of there and fish a magnet through there and pull it out and see if you got any chunks. And if I were guessing, you do. And that'll be a very, very quick and easy indication without pulling a front cover and everything else, which is going to happen eventually anyway. But so step one, I would do this. Step two is I'd go ahead and pull the front cover and see what wear patterns you have in this guy, and then as part of that, you can look for scoring and all this kind of stuff on these edges here, on the gears, look inside there and everything else. And if this is going to be, for those of you sidebar, on high horsepower builds, you probably want to go ahead and upgrade to the billet version of this gear. We can hook you up with that on FICMRepair.com as well, and that way you're not having a problem. Just couple that with an ATI dampener. But if I were guessing, the vast majority of these issues are going to be as a result of this truck's issues are as a result of losing a needle bearing on a lifter, which is why we're such fans of the Johnson Premium USA lifters. So if you're doing a head gasket job or something and you got, more than, I'm going to call it 180,000 miles on the rig, please think about changing out these lifters. And I know it's effort. You got to pull the motor from the trans to get access to them because the branch tubes are in the way and whatnot, which is a hassle. You got to use custom length push rods, which is a hassle. But it's the better way. Now, if you just can't swing this financially and you want to go with back with OE lifters, that's fine. No worries at all. Just recognize that the OE lifters are just not as good. So I'll be shooting more videos on diagnosing and all this kind of stuff. Probably not stick with yours. I don't want to feel like I'm beating you up. But there's a lot to know. There's a lot to know. And but excellent diagnosis. Yeah, you got no low pressure oil. And now the only question is why. All right, FICMRepair.com. We're all in this together.